Today's approval comes as there is a slight uptick in cases here in Chicago.
And joining us to talk about why the second booster is needed is Dr. Mark Loafman. He is Chair of Family and Community Medicine at Cook County Health. Doctor, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Let me ask you this. First off, are cases increasing? I mean, are we still in a pandemic? Is it an endemic yet? And should we be worried?
Well, first question is, cases are decreasing. We're still seeing a downward trend. We're down to about 30,000 cases in the U.S. So it's better, but we are seeing upticks in some areas, and I don't think we're out of the woods. So we're expecting to see some uptick, whether it's a wave, a surge, yet to be seen. But we do expect to see an increase with the new variant.
Is there proof of waning protection from the COVID vaccine?
Yes. The vaccine still holds well, but it doesn't keep that high 95% rate for longer than 4 or 5 months. And that's really where the opportunity comes to boost.
So who needs that second booster?
Well, the people we're most worried about are 65 and older. They are the ones who are dying disproportionately. So that's really the target group. To capture those, the FDA has now approved a second booster for those 50 and older, which makes a lot of sense. So that's really the target audience. Now, I think we'll see the booster, second booster being opened up more widely, depending on how this potential uptick in cases goes.
Could be opened up more widely. So, doctor, are we going to have to get boosters for the rest of our lives?
Well, I think we're beginning to see COVID is looking a lot more like the flu. It's something that's going to be around. It'll cycle through. The flu varies every year. That's why we have to get a new vaccine every year. So I think it's very likely that we'll have to get an annual booster or an annual COVID shot, just like we do a flu shot. But that's probably where things are going to go. We don't know for sure yet, but it's sure looking like that.
Doctor, if we've had COVID already, do we still need a second booster? And how long are we protected against COVID?
Yeah, great question. So a natural infection does provide immunity for 3 to 4 months, but it begins to wane even a little faster than the vaccine. So the vaccine immunity is a little stronger. So
Really?
whether you've had prior vaccine or had COVID before, stay on schedule. Get the boosters if they're eligible for that. We still have about half of all those in the country who need a first booster that haven't gotten that yet. So that's the single biggest audience right now we need to be speaking to. If you're due, get your booster.
The FDA has said that they've determined that the known and potential benefits of the second booster outweigh the known and potential risks. How do they know that?
Well, I think the experience so far, so it's still the same medicine we've already seen before. So I think that's part of the experience. Israel and a few other countries have been doing this for a while. So we have the early data from there too that it worked. There doesn't seem to be any risk of adverse events beyond what people are already accustomed to having, which is very, very minimal from this vaccine. So I think it's good, solid data. FDA jumped on even before their expert panel meets again in a couple of weeks on April 6th. They went ahead and said yes, and CDC verbally has given the go-ahead. So I think we have pretty good sound data that this is the right way to go.
All right, Dr. Mark Loafman of Cook County Health, thanks for your time. We appreciate it.
Thank you.